Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create drop-down list on Canva Sheets. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened Canva, and first of all, I'm going to open up the sheet I have created on Canva. And I'm going to show you guys how we can create drop-down list. Okay, I have already created a table and I'm going to add drop-down list to this big column. Okay, we're going to select the column like this, and then you can go to the quick action and you can select drop-down. And for example, I'm going to choose yes or no drop-down list. Okay, and as you can see guys, that the drop-down list has been created. Yeah, that's so simple. You just need to select your column and then go to the action, and then you will be able to create drop-down list. And the design is nice. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create drop-down list on Canva Sheets. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!